1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper that sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer. Hi you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you all are doing great. And if you are new to this channel, well, hi, my name is Zantra, and I'll be more than happy if you consider liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel given down below. And I think you have read by the title already, जैसा कि मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, this one is my similar intro, so I think I need to change it. So yeah, this video is all about Miniso haul, and for the very longest period of time I directly hopped into the Miniso store offline, and I have purchased few products, and I don't know if you like it or not. I know Miniso में इतना कुछ फैंसी नहीं मिलता और
Wait a minute. Who are you?
नहीं मिलता, और मिलता भी तो आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट आई हैव परचेज इट. मैंने अपने जो एसेंशियल्स चाहिए होते हैं वो मैंने लिए हैं. इतना बड़ा कुछ हॉल नहीं है, कुछ भी यू नो आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स, बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग. आई डोंट नो, you will get to know. So yeah, this is all about, and many of you have asked me already. जब मैंने Instagram में कुछ stories put up किए थे that from where did you purchase this from, so I purchased at that time from Amazon, but this time I have all my bag over here, and one by one I am going to show everything it to you all. So yeah, intro बहुत लंबा हो गया. Without wasting any time, let's quickly hop into the video. I am super excited to share everything with you all. So starting with the very first product जिसके कारण मैं Miniso store गई, because I have seen many creators saying that Miniso के perfumes बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. So here we go. I went to the store just for perfume, और उसके साथ मैंने और भी add on कर लिए product. So this is the first product I have, which is a perfume. And this one is a 50 ml bottle, and also this ones are super cheap. So this one is priced at ₹200 only. Why I am fumbling a lot, I think बहुत दिन बाद I think मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ maybe. So this is how the packaging of this looks like, and you can see the MRP over here. It's 200 only. Look at this cylindrical bottle. This almost look like a tester to me, but oh my god, its fragrance is so just amazing. I can't clearly show you in this video obviously, but this one is just so tempting and so good. So this is the first product. Coming up on the next product, next is this cotton pads. This are a must have thing, और इसको अलग से कॉटन को यूज करने की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ती. प्लस ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट, सारे जो कॉटन पैड्स होते हैं जनरली दे आर ऑन कॉस्टली साइड. दिस वन इज प्राइस्ड एट ₹150, एंड टोटल इसमें 180 पैड्स हैं. सो लेट मी शो यू, बिकॉज इट्स लाइक वेन एवर यू पुट ऑन समटाइम्स टोनर और रिमूव मेकअप और समथिंग लाइक दिस. मैं तो नहीं पता, वो हमेशा वो कॉटन को एक खींचते ही रहती हूँ, बट आई थिंक दिस आर रियली गुड. ये एक पूरा पैड आता है, एंड 180 पीस फॉर 150 इज सच एन अमेजिंग डील. सो दिस आर हाउ दे आर bundled, and look at this. This is one single cotton pad, I think. Yeah, this one is a single, and these are stacked like so. Oh my god. So these are super handy, whenever you are traveling, or not even traveling, घर में भी while removing makeup, applying toner or astringent or something like this. These are quite affordable, and quality is also amazing. This are the set of 2 loofah, you guys. These are super essential, हर किसी को ज़रूरत होती ही है. And these are in 2 color. One is pink and the other one is mint green. And you will be, you know, amazed by the price. This one is priced at rupees 150 only. Isn't it super cheap? Like in local stores you get like 90 or 100 for a single loofah. So here you have two, and yeah, the material is quite good as I can see. Let me just quickly show you. So this is how it looks like. Very soft, and you know the material is quite well. Like I have used many of them, but as far as I have used, I think this one are a much softer version of every loofah I have right now. And obviously the hanging thing is there, so this are like now from onwards, these are my absolute favorite, and for 150 is a big steal. So coming up on the next product, which is again my most favorite, which are this scented candles by Miniso. So last time जो भी मैंने प्रोडक्ट यूज़ किया था, मैंने जो परचेज किया था, I end up breaking those candles, you guys, and they were like really good. I think vanilla flavor tha. These are the scented lavender. So let me show you how it actually looks like. They are, you know, quite nice in packaging, and here is the tester. Oops. Okay, so here is the tester if you want, you know, smell it while purchasing. So this comes really handy. This is how the scented candle looks like, you guys. And this one I think priced at rupees 150. I'm not so sure. Okay, this one is priced at rupees 190, and इसमें ये जो wick है वो भी दिया रहता है. But one thing I obviously need to tell you that whenever you are purchasing any candle, like कोई भी scented candle हो, make sure to use it like जब भी पहली बार अगर आप इसको जला रहे हैं, left it straightly for 3 hours. बिकॉज मैंने जो मेरे पुराने सेंटेड कैंडल्स थे, मैं थोड़े थोड़े देर जला के उसको मैंने रखा, तो पूरा इधर वो, लेट मी शो यू हाउ वर्स इट गेट. दिस इज़ वॉट आई हैव डन विथ माई अनदर कैंडल. दिस इज़ वॉट आई वॉज सेइंग. जब आप इसको लगातार 3-4 घंटे तक नहीं फर्स्ट टाइम जलाते तो ये हो जाता है, एंड इट लुक्स रियली चीप, और वो वेस्ट है. दिस इज़ अ रियली वेस्ट. सो मेक श्योर इफ़ यू आर लाइक बर्निंग इट फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम, यूजुअली 3 घंटे तक उसको जला के छोड़ देना होता है. सो अप नेक्स्ट ऑन द लिस्ट इज़ अ कार डिफ्यूज़र, एंड आई एम द पर्सन हु लव fragrance each and every time. Everywhere I need little fragrance. Very, you know, I don't like really strong, or I'm the person who loves the mild fragrance everywhere. So that's why I find it cute though. This one I think mint and ice का जो भी flavor है, तो ये car diffuser है. This one is priced at rupees 150 only. So I think इसमें दिया हुआ है कि कैसे इसको, you know, एयर कंडीशनर के पास लगाना रहता है. So yeah, next on the list is this matte finish nail paint. Miniso के nail paint मुझे बहुत पसंद है. मैं Amazon से जनरली पहले परचेज करती थी, एंड आई फाइंड इट रियली कूल. नायका के भी अच्छे रहते हैं, बट प्राइसेस में काफ़ी डिफरेंस हो जाता है. इफ़ आई एम परचेसिंग फ्रॉम नायका रियली कूल, यू नो, मैट फिनिश का नेल पेंट, इट विल बी, यू नो, कॉस्ट मी अराउंड 150, 190, 170. बट Miniso के एक नेल पेंट आर जनरली आई एम फंबलिंग अलॉट. Miniso के जो एक नेल पेंट होते हैं जनरली दे आर प्राइज्ड इन बिटवीन, यू नो, 90 to 100. सो बेसिकली दिस वन इज़ प्राइज्ड एट रुपीज़ 90 ओनली, एंड आई नीड सम टाइम कि कलर जो है पे ऑफ कैसे करता है. सो आई नीड टू, यू नो, अप्लाई दिस. बट लेट मी शो यू द अनदर नेल पेंट, जिसका मैं सेकेंड बॉटल ले रही हूँ, एंड आई हैव अप्लाइड देम राइट नाउ एज वेल. इसका कलर पे ऑफ बहुत अच्छा है, ऑल्दो इट इज़ अ शिमर वन, बट इट इज़ गुड. सो लेट मी शो यू. दिस इज़ हाउ the next product looks like, and I have applied it already and I am in love with this. So these are how its consistency looks like. Really glittery, shimmery, and best for this festive or wedding season, or I don't mind, as in general also I love shimmery, glittery, poppy colors. So yeah, this is it. So yeah, wrapping up the video over here. This was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope it will be helpful to some extent. And if you enjoyed watching, you know the drill, right? Do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel, so whenever I upload any new video, you guys will be notified. Also, let me know in the comment section or anywhere that what kinds of video you want me to come up with, so that I can create that type of video. So yeah, signing off. Bye bye.